This is my 8th attempt at capturing the saga at the feeding station on my back porch in my big backyard. There's a female cardinal. I could hear all kinds of bird calls in the background previewing this one. Less robins and more finches, I believe. Not finches, yeah, goldfinches. And maybe a house wren, and you can hear the cardinals, of course, and some of the birds that we see at the feeder in the background, like blue jay and the mockingbird. And this is the one where the battery died, so at the end you can hear the beep. And the GoPro takes a long time for the battery to recharge, like 3 or 4 hours. So that's what I'm doing right now, recharging batteries and editing bird videos and downloading Rihanna. There's a cute little nuthatch. They're such dainty little birds. I appreciate redrawing them from pictures. And there's the ever-present tufted titmouse. Like I say, there have been several. The last time I went out, there were like 4 or 5 different ones. And the nuthatch waiting its turn, talking to its offspring, perhaps, or mate. Oh, the titmouse wasn't finished yet. But the nuthatch perseveres, waiting its turn. There it comes. They're not real afraid of me either. Those 2 birds are probably the least skittish at the suet cage. There are a couple of kind of birds that are in my big backyard that don't come to the suet at all. So I try to record them in different ways, like the house wrens and the bluebirds. And in the summertime, of course, the hummingbirds. And Frisco and I get after the squirrels because they make a huge mess. There's the downy woodpecker again. And